Now, I did remove the little guys from melting for now. Their fate is sealed. Simply because I had some pretty good milk going. So, we'll see what happens when I pour it in the mold. Hopefully no explosions. We don't want explosions, do we? I hope not. Here we go. Okay. Okay, we'll do the spider. So, we may have enough for another one. I don't know. We'll find out. Perhaps not. Oh well. It'll get recycled. I think. Alright. We haven't given up yet. Where are my tongs? Sorry, baseball guy, your fate is sealed. And basketball guy. Oops. That's why you have to be careful. There you go. Too hot. Okay. You know what? I think I just won't melt basketball guy for now. He's fighting it. Unless we do it this way. There. There we go. Alrighty. Okay, I just flipped it out. And so you can get an idea of how hot it is. Maybe this will help. Let me see. 300, 299. It's still very hot. 285. You can see that this is why you have to be very careful. And we're gonna hear it. Ooh. And let's just see the temperature in that. Alright, 104. I think it's safe to say it was around 70 before. 75 last time I tried it. And I've dumped a few things in it since, so it is quite the temperature change. Okay. It's getting kind of late, 7:30ish. It rained a little bit, so I had to stop and do some other stuff anyways. But I'm going to try to make a flower for my lovely wife. And whatever's left over, I'll make into something. So, like, subscribe, don't subscribe, say hello. Not really sure. Just so you can see what I kind of do. I'm doing this very carefully, mind you. Here we go. Watch this. There we go. Now, we already have one of these, so we'll just do one of these guys again. hopefully. There we go. Oop, there we go. I guess you can say I got my use out of my little melter for today. And I wish you a pleasant weekend and enjoy. Have a good day. Okay. Now they've cooled quite a bit. Don't know exactly what kind of flour this is, but I'm going to attempt to pick it up. Yeah. Kick it up. Pick it up. Without burning myself. Actually, I'll go set you down over there, then do it safely. Okay? Okay. Here we go. Let's see. Here we go. Hello. Quite a bit of sizzle left to it. Now the headstone. Still pretty hot. Whew. Use this to put out some of the Alright, let's see what we got. Now, besides the little bear things, made of flour, a couple of headstones. That one is a little bit better than the other one I made. It says, "Here lies." And, of course, that one. So, all in all, not too bad. And I got my work with my little $80 melter, I guess. So, I'm happy. Like, subscribe, don't subscribe. Go ahead and melt something yourself. Just do it safely. Have a good weekend. Rest of the weekend. Goodbye.